Engineering drawing MCQ for ALPCBT2 Part A section. Question number 1. Medium thickness line group of 2 mm are not used for outlines, dotted lines, cutting plane lines, dimension lines. Answer is D, that is dimension line. Question number 2. Initial work and construction lines are drawn using dash pencil 3H, 4H, H, 2H. The answer is C, that is H. Question number 3. Center lines, section lines are drawn using dash pencil H, 2H, 3H or 4H. HB. The answer is C, 3H or 4H. Number 4. The line given below is used for dash, long break lines, cutting planes, centroidal lines, outlines of adjacent part. The answer is A, that is long break line. Question number 5. The line given below is used for dash, thin, thick, thin, hidden outlines, cutting planes, hidden edges, dimension lines. The answer is B, that is cutting planes. Question number 6. Dash thick white line is represented by four lines. There are one long thick line, one long short, one thick break line, one thin break line. The answer is C, that is thick break line. Match the following 1, 2, 3, 4. Just to see the table. Dimension, extension, long break line show at surface treatment, cutting planes. The answer is B, that is 1, 2, left side 1, that is long break line, 2, long break line, 2, 3, that is line shows as surface treatment. Number 3, dimension or extension line. Number 4, thick, thin, thick, that is cutting planes. Match the following similar as question number 7. The answer is B, that is 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 1. Question number 9. Drawing pencils are graded according to increase in relative diameter, sharpness, length, hardness. The answer is D, that is hardness. Question number 10. Match the following dimension line, extension or projection lines, margin lines, outlines. Right side, continuous thick lines, continuous thin lines, continuous thick lines, continuous thin lines. The answer is C, that is 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 3, 4, 1. Just match as per answer. Question number 11. Short break lines are drawn freehand while long break lines are rules line. True or false? The answer is A, that is true. Question number 12. Which are the two systems of placing dimensions? Align system, break system, unidirectional system, directional system. 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 4. The answer is B, that is 1, 3. Align system and unidirectional system. Question number 13. Align system is used for drawing of aircraft, automobiles. True or false? That is false. Question 14. In unidirectional system, the dimensions are placed above the dimension line, placed below the dimension line, placed by breaking the dimension line in the middle, placed left side of the dimension line. The answer is C, that is placed by breaking the dimension line in the middle. Question number 15. In align system, the dimensions are dash, placed parallel to the dimension line, placed perpendicular to the dimension line, placed left side of the dimension line, placed right side of the dimension line. The answer is V, placed perpendicular to the dimension line. Question number 16. From unidirectional system, it is dash convenient to read dimension from the bottom edge, convenient to read dimension from the right hand edge, convenient to read dimension from the right hand edge, convenient to read dimension from the top edge. The answer is A, that is convenient to read dimension from the bottom edge. Question number 17. The match the following Arrowhead is placed at dimension line and point end touches outline extension. There are a figure, that figure is missing. In which system of dimensioning the figure can read from the bottom as well as right hand side of the drawing? Aligned system, unidirectional system, non-aligned multi-directional system, parallel system. The answer is A, that is aligned system. Question number 20. Which of the following dimension is according to the aligned system of the dimensioning? 40, B 55, A 25, 10. The answer is A, that is 40. 21. In dimensioning, the lines enclosing the dimension lines are known as dash. Middle line, dimension line, extension line, outline. The answer is C, that is extension line. Question number 22. When dimensioning the circle, the dimension line begins from the center of the circle. True, false. The answer is A, that is true. 23. While dimensioning a circle, the leader line and dimension lines are drawn at which angle with respect to each other? To 45 degree, 30 degree, 0 degree or 180 degree, 90 degree. The answer is C, that is 0 degree or 180 degree. 24. While dimensioning holes, slots, etc., how would their number be specified? Number written on the dimension line, number is written on of the leader line, number is written on the corner of page, number is written on the side of the hole or slot. The answer is A, that is number written on the dimension line. 25. What is the height if the dimension figure written on the dimension line? 7 mm to 9 mm, 2 mm to 3 mm, 6 mm to 8 mm, 3 mm to 5 mm. The answer is D, that is 3 mm to 5 mm. 26. While dimensioning, what should always be written before a point accompanied by a figure if the value of the figure is less than unity? 1, 0, 2, 6. The answer is B, that is 0. 27. In unidirectional system, the figures are written along the dimension lines. True or false? That is false. 28. In which system dimensioning the figures can read from the bottom only? Aligned system, unidirectional system, non-aligned multidirectional system, parallel system. The answer is B, that is unidirectional system. In which system of dimensioning the figures can read from the bottom only? Aligned system, unidirectional system, non-aligned multidirectional system, parallel system. The answer is B, that is unidirectional system. 29. Which one of the following is not a reduction scale? 1 is to 1, 1 is to 200, 5 is to 320, 5 is to 6. The answer is A, that is 1 is to 1. 30. For drawing of small instrument watches, the scale used in dash, reduced scale, full scale, enlarged scale, none of these. The answer is A, that is reduced scale. Okay, thank you.